Hey guys, so I had a question about how to put like drill holes or let's say standoff holes or some kind of holes equal distance from every corner of a project that you're working on, especially when the project itself may not be, an exact number. So let's say we have this rectangle sign, it's 12.9 by 9.6, and we need quarter-inch holes in each corner and they need to be equal distance from that corner. Couple of ways to do this. So I'm going to grab this thing first, and I'm going to grab so I'm just holding shift, and I'm going to grab a hold of my square, and I'm going to bring this to the top and to the right. Doing that, I'm just hitting T for top, R for right. Then I'm going to make a duplicate, so Control D. Grab the rectangle again and go T for top, L for left. Then I might as well grab both of these, Control D for duplicate, square, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit bottom, B for bottom. T top, R right, L left, B bottom. Now, I have this one here, and let's say I want it to be 1 inch from either side of the corner. I'm going to go up here to my XY position, and I'm going to go +1. Oops, sorry. Let's try that again. We're going to go -1 because we're going the other direction, Jesse. Go down here, -1. +1. Y'all, math is not my strong suit today. All right, so now it's 1 inch from either end. Let's do the same thing here. See if I can do it right this time. Go -1 and +1. Nope, -1. There we go. Now that's 1 inch from there. My goodness, guys, it's early morning. All right, let's try it here. +1. -1. +2, because I still can't do math this morning. Oh my goodness, -1. Sorry, that should be a +1. And this is going to be a -1. Hey, I got the last one right, y'all. So as you can see, I get screwed up sometimes too. But now if we look, each one of these is now 1 inch away from its respective edge. There's one other way we can do this. It's a little bit longer way around, but it does work as well. We can grab this guy here and use our offset and do a 1 inch offset all the way around and hit OK. And then we would just grab both of these guys, group them, Control G, and do the same thing. We're going to go T for top, L for left, and then I can copy those over. D to duplicate, T top, grab this again, T for top, R for right, grab both of these, Control D to duplicate, grab my bottom line and hit B for bottom. And now I've just got to go in, ungroup, and remove the bigger circles. And they are all 1 inch away from their respective sides. So a couple of different ways to do that, but it does get you the alignment that you need. I really like using my math toolbar up here. That's what I call it because it does my math for me. And I do hope that this helps someone today.